guys, Plantalak here. Welcome to another awesome video. So today we're gonna be comparing the Apple first gen AirPods and the InPods 12. We're gonna be looking at the similarities and the differences between both of them, and we're gonna check the sound quality as well to see which one has a way better sound quality between both of them. But obviously you guys know the Apple AirPods are definitely gonna have a way better quality. We're just gonna measure the difference if it's large or if it's small to see if it's worth just skipping this and getting the replica of the AirPods. So first, let's look at the build. The Apple AirPods obviously has a glossy finish. It has the sign indicator at the back, designed by Apple in California. As you guys can see, metallic finish here, and the engines are awesome. Indicator light here. And the next is the InPods 12. Has the connector here, metallic here, indicator light under, right here. And also the InPods 12 charges with a micro USB, while the Apple AirPods obviously charges with the lightning port, but I've heard some variations of the InPods 12 actually charge with the lightning port as well. So just my variation might be different. So let's take out the devices. Okay, as you guys can see, these are the AirPods, while these are the InPods. The InPods actually have indicator lights, while the AirPods absolutely have no indicator lights whatsoever. So I'm gonna connect this to a device and we're gonna listen to some music and we're gonna see what the quality is like, and we're gonna see which one is better. But obviously, like I said to you guys, the AirPods are obviously gonna take it. But let's see. We're gonna connect the AirPods first. Okay, so the AirPods are connected right now. So let's listen to some music and we're gonna see what the sound quality is like, so you guys can see which one's better. All right, let's play some nice songs. Okay, so I'm listening to a song now, so I'm gonna put it in for you guys to listen also. So if you guys think the song is good. So that's the sound quality of the AirPods. So let's check the sound quality of the InPods and we're gonna see which one is better. Okay, you guys listen. So obviously I think the quality of the AirPods is way better than the quality of the InPods. And also another thing to note, the AirPods have a glossy finish while the InPods have a matte finish. But let's check the fit. So actually the AirPods fit perfectly in the case of the InPods, and apparently it charges as well. But I'm pretty sure the InPods are not gonna fit. Yeah, they're bigger than the case for the AirPods. So let's take this out. So obviously I hope I've helped you guys a little bit in making a decision on which one to buy and which one not to buy. My recommendation, the InPods are great if you're on a budget, but if you're not on a budget, definitely get the original AirPods. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one.